There is nothing quite like home sweet home. Compromising between beautiful, high-quality appliances that last and a price point that is fair is a thing of the past. Cosmo was founded with a rebellious spirit and an ambitious goal to bring you the premium luxury appliances of your dreams at a revolutionary price. We take pride in designing in-house for expert manufacturing, top-of-the-line parts, and luxury aesthetics. Enduring test after test in a lab, what we build was made to last. Expect cooking, cooling, and cleaning experiences that make life easier and brighten up your home. Constructed with cutting-edge technology and with the utmost care, Cosmo appliances support what truly matters, turning a house into a home. Cosmo is there for all of life's moments, passing down generations of delicious secret family recipes, helping Grandma bake her famous Christmas sugar cookies, and surprising your daughter on her birthday with her favorite homemade chocolate cake. We're right behind you when you need us. Cosmo means beautiful appliances that get things done right, so you can enjoy priceless family moments for years to come. A better home starts with Cosmo.